This is the Giotto 32-ounce leak-proof, BPA-free water bottle. So you can see the colors alone make this super gorgeous, but it also has a ton of cool features. So first off, this little handle, you can see I placed just around my wrist. And then obviously the most important, or to me, part of it is that it tracks your water intake level. So basically when you fill this twice to hit your full water goal for the day. So I'm filling it up here in the morning, and it'll even give you like a timeline as to when you should be at each level. So I've actually purchased this water bottle twice now because I gifted one to my grandma because she really has to make sure she has her daily water intake to be at her best health. So I gave her mine because she was so interested in mine, and then repurchased another one. So you can see here the lid locks great as well. Makes it super easy to drink from, having that little spout to it. It does have a silicone straw within it and a wide mouth. Love it. Check it out.